Hey guys and lady guys. Welcome to Mötley Möto. We've got some really great clips for you today, so sit back and enjoy the ride. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.
Every time I fire my bike up,
Come here. Come here. Oh. What's he doing?
There's a monster under my bed.
Tommy, there's no such thing as
long dick style.
Okay, we're moving.
What the fuck?
You're not getting away with that. You little shit. You're not meowing me.
Do I look like a motorcycle? How about now? My favorite color? Chrome. Or black. Mostly chrome. Black with chrome. Chrome with black. Pedal hard. Right on the gas. Pedal to the metal. Diesel. Yeah, it's a Harley. The only way to go. No, I don't sit there and rev it up like amateurs. A real biker. Helmet? No, I don't use any protection. Ape hangers. Look at this. Put it down, goes right back up. Put it down, right back up. Oh yeah. Thick chest hair. Obviously I'm a CEO. Pumping numbers by day and pumping this hog by night. Yeah. What bar did you ride to? Oh, I've been there. Yeah, I ride hard. This old hog and your mom's mom. That's disgusting. I haven't smiled in 20 years. Tell me a funny joke. Huh? No, that was coming back from Sturgis in '93. I gotta take this, sorry. Hey, mommy. Ride hard. Ride hard.
Me telling my son be careful, take it slow.
McFlurry, I'm hungry.
How may I help you?
Can I get a Oreo McFlurry regular?
Alright, you need to go?
That's it.
Alright, your total is $377.
Thank you. This lock latch right here for this bike is like the best thing in the world for my ADD. I just love it. Stoplights, drive-thrus, everything. Even riding down the road, you know. Just sitting here, you know, me and old Latchy. Just having a good old time. Thank you. Thank you.